Hey guys, what's up? I'm back at you with another video, and today doing some movie unboxing. So this one, it kind of came like that. I don't know why they didn't have the stuff on it, but it's the Warcraft movie. Bought it new. I don't know why I did it, but anyways, and I like this because this is actually raised. Looks really cool. It's the front. It's the back. Again, it's raised. Digital code out. So it's got Blu-ray and the DVD. Again, boring movies. Or this. I have not seen this movie, so sometime I'm gonna watch it and review it. There's the back. It's kind of cool. That's that. I don't know why Amazon did that. Yeah, as long as the box isn't damaged and the movies are in there, we're good. It does come with a digital code, which I will be giving away soon. But first I have to do my major, the 6 I'm doing, and then the Game of Thrones. So, doing that soon. The second one actually came wrapped, so I can unbox it. It is Batman Ninja. Best Buy. I keep seeing pictures of it, so I want to watch it now. Again, another one I haven't watched, but watching a feudal version of Joker is going to be interesting. This cover, there's the spine, there's the back. This wasn't supposed to come till Thursday, but apparently it came a little early. But slightly damaged. There's a better picture without the packaging on it. And that is actually very creepy and cool at the same time. Get that digital code out. Anyway, here's the inside. It actually has some disc art. It's kind of cool. Ninja Batman on the black on the Blu-ray. And kind of teal one on the DVD, but they're kind of cool. Don't mind if it has like a little bit of disc art, even if it's like that. And there's the inside. This wasn't even supposed to come till Thursday. Said it was delayed, and then it came today. Not upset. And I will be giving away the digital code for that when I do the one for Warcraft. I also got this movie, but it didn't come with the digital code, so I didn't really want to open it on camera. But it's the Sister Act movies. If you love Whoopi Goldberg, you'll love these. She makes a great funny nun. But anyways, I also have to do the digital code redrawing for the Bourne Legacy, because Mike Studmuffin did not contact me in any way to get his code. So, here we go. And the winner is Sam Jr. So Sam, you can contact me on Instagram, SaphiraBlue25. If you don't have Instagram, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll figure out another way. We'll probably do it through email. That's how I got it for How It Thunders. But anyways, that's it for now. I'll be doing the digital codes later. So keep an eye on that. And I'll see you guys then. Bye.